In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to unlock the fuel door on a 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. Pretty simple process once you know what you're doing. The first thing you're going to want to do is unlock the vehicle. Once the vehicle is unlocked, if it's locked, this won't open, so make sure that it is unlocked. You're going to go to the driver's side of the vehicle, find the fuel door. You're going to push right here on the back of it. It's going to pop open. You then can unscrew the gas cap, fill up the vehicle with gas, and then to close the door and lock it back into position, you just push firmly on it. And then to lock the gas cap, you just press the lock button on the vehicle and nobody can get into your gas cap. Pretty simple process. If you have any questions, give a comment in the comment section. Give the video a like if you thought it was helpful. Subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.